Okay, so let's to start with, sige. Hi classmates, hi to Sir Jonel, Prof's classmates, and to whoever's gonna watch this. This is our presentation for CEOrien profiling, and today we have uh engineer. Ano first? Ano last name? Last name mo?
Ron San.
Engineer Ron Sante. Then
From?
graduate batch ID 111 siya sa DLSU. 5 years na si January, 5 years na siyang working
Where?
sa DO. Actually, we should let that for you.
Oh,
Introduce na lang po.
Ako na lang.
Energy.
Hi guys, I'm Engineer Ron Allen Sante from the Department of Energy. I've been working already 5 years na practicing civil engineering.
Okay. So, our group po has a few questions for
Okay, sige.
our project po. So, I'll start off with the first question po. This will be divided into subcategories. So, education, training and skills acquisition, and present work and
Okay,
achievements.
sige.
So, the first question po for your education, how was your experience at the university?
For me, masaya kasi actually I used to be a student athlete before kasi I was a former basketball player from De La Salle, pero team B lang. Then yun nga, pinagsasabay ko yung studies. And yun, as an engineer ngayon, parang achievement siya kasi yun nga, napagsabay ko yung studies ko and the thing I love to do most, which is playing basketball. So ayun, masaya yung college life ko in DLSU.
Sino yung mag-ask ng next question? Ay, nakamute ka. Hello? You're still on mute.
Hello po, can you hear me po?
Yes.
So for the second question po, what is the subject that we fresh civil engineer students must look out for?
For me kasi from my experience kasi medyo nahirapan din ako from sa general subjects, yung mga calculus, yung basic electrical engineering, statistics, yun yung mga i-look out nyo kasi yun yung mga medyo critical na subjects na parang kailangan nyo ipasa kahit hindi naman siya related sa civil engineering. Pero when it comes to majors, actually lahat may enjoy nyo kasi if you love what you're doing and if you love your course, madali na lang yun para sa inyo. So yun nga, mostly general subjects yung medyo kailangan nyo i-look out as for my experience. Yan lang.
Thank you, sir. For the third question po, as a
Wait lang. Okay, you can go.
Sorry po, I got disconnected.
Okay lang.
So for the third question po, as you graduate po, what do you think is the advantage of civil engineering program in the LSU apart from civil engineering in other universities po?
Actually kasi sa atin yung civil engineering sa De La Salle is a center of excellence. Tapos yung mga equipment kasi natin and yung mga professors natin dito sa DLSU, mga nationwide class sila na prof. And yun nga, as I've said, from my experience, yung equipment natin dyan sa DLSU, sobrang lagi silang updated. So yun yung advantage natin sa university natin. Yun nga, yung equipment natin. Tsaka yun nga, being the course itself, it's center of excellence sa DLSU.
Okay, thank you po. And who do you think po who is the best prof in civil engineering po?
Hirap naman.
and the subject na rin po.
Hirap ng tanong na yan. Baka sabihin natin si Sir kasi yun yung subject niya ngayon. Hindi, pero for me personally, ang favorite prof ko noon si um, if ano if gusto nyong maging magaling sa structural, si Sir Oreta, si Dr. Oreta po. O kaya si Dr. Dungka, si Dean Dungka. Yan, sila yung mga favorite prof ko kasi sila yung parang talagang tumatak sa utak ko when it comes to civil engineering kasi sobrang galing nila magturo. If ever kunin nyo silang prof sa mga subjects nyo.
Thank you po.
Okay.
Okay, thank you po.
Welcome.
For the next question po, what specialization did you pursue and why did you choose it?
Originally kasi, I wanted to pursue structural engineering. Kaso, hindi ako umabot sa quota. Kasi may quota kasi yan pagdating sa structural eh. So, nagland ako sa transportation engineering. Which na-enjoy ko naman kasi medyo iba kasi yung field of expertise when it comes to transportation eh. Kasi not only you will tackle about road construction but you'll also handle traffic engineering. So mga tao, yung mga traffic natin, not only involving cars pero yung tao mismo kasi yung tao din kasi nagkakos ng traffic. So yun, you'll know about it general in transportation engineering. So yun yung medyo natutunan kong iba from the basic civil engineering subjects.
Okay, for the next question na rin po, what will you consider your lowest point during your college life and how did you overcome it?
Siguro yung lowest point ko kasi yun nga, since being a student athlete, mahirap pagsabayin yung studies and pagiging athlete. So may point na siguro yung general subjects ko yun eh. Mga second year ako na parang I'm failing 3 subjects. So yun nga, lumabas yung course card, then bagsak, 3. Siguro dun yung lowest point ko, choosing if I want to continue my basketball career or continue being a civil engineer. So nag-sacrifice ako, tinanggal ko yung pagiging athlete ko. So nag-focus ako sa pagiging civil engineer. Pero na-enjoy ko pa rin yung pagbabasketball ko by joining other DLSU leagues nga sa college natin. So yun yung lowest point ko nung time na yun.
Thank you po.
Okay, good evening po.
Hi, good evening.
For the second part, which is training and skills acquisition.
Okay.
So the first question is, in things that you are doing in your field of work today, what is the thing that you would wish you knew more about or wished you knew earlier?
Actually, more on, kasi since nasa ko ngayon, nasa Department of Energy, parang ang ginagawa ko kasi more on the standards. So, sana mas nag-focus ako on knowing more about the building code. Kasi yun yung ginagamit kasi namin mostly, tsaka yung sa fire code. Kasi magkoconnect kasi silang dalawa eh, yung fire code tsaka yung building code of the Philippines. Medyo kasi hindi ko masyadong sineryoso yung subject na yun. You'll know about it more when it comes to your majors. Pero yun nga, I suggest na kailangan nyo rin alamin yun kasi importante yun. You will use it in your field of expertise when you work na. So yun.
For the next question po, I'll be the one asking.
Okay.
In all the companies, corporations, field work, and the like that you have been in, what is the thing you would like to be included in the syllabus of students taking up this course, if there is any?
Siguro more on standards siguro kasi yun nga medyo mahirap kasing intindihin yung standards like yung mga building code. Well, meron na sila sa syllabus pero parang mas siguro mas dagdagan nila ng subjects for it kasi pag sa field naman kasi hindi mo masasabi theoretically yung mga terms na kailangan mo for engineering. Parang syempre yung mga tao na iba gusto nila in general lang, parang in layman's terms lang. So parang to understand it, mas madali kasi kung yung mga codes kasi yung mga building code, structural code ma-put into layman's terms para mas ma-explain ng maayos sa mga tao. in public.
So for the next question, Fox, what do you think best supplements civil engineering studies?
Ano yun? Sorry.
What do you think best supplements civil engineering studies?
Siguro yun nga, yung mga ano natin, yung modules natin dito sa university kasi sobrang magagaling yung mga prof natin when it comes to our expertise. So sa civil engineering. Tsaka yung ano, yung mga equipment natin, yun yung pinaka-edge talaga natin. Kaya nga tayo Center of Excellence ng sa lahat ng universities kasi yun nga, yung equipment tsaka yung mga professors natin. Okay sila. Yun yung I think best supplements are civil engineering studies.
Uh, what would you say or the skills that you have acquired and is very essential in civil engineering?
Siguro yun yung mga major subjects natin kasi mostly yun you'll encounter it yung mga concrete design, steel design. Yun kasi yung mostly na ginagamit natin for construction. So parang yung pinaka na-acquire ko talaga yung mga theoretical aspects of it. Tapos na-apply ko siya by yun nga pagka kunwari pag nasa field tayo tapos i-explain mo siya sa tao, paano mo siya explain ng hindi siya theoretical. So yun yung kailangan nyo na-apply kasi parang yun nga, you know theoretically but you don't know how to explain it generally. So yun, yung pinaka na-acquire ko is yun nga, explaining theoretically from theoretically to generally. So yun yung pinaka na-acquire ko.
And last, what are the things you have learned in your experience in work today that wasn't taught at school?
Yun, siguro yung, kasi nga mostly theoretical kasi tayo. Hindi naman nila sinasabi if ganito ba yung mangyayari sa field. Siyempre, there are different situations eh. Parang, ang sasabihin nila sa inyo palagi, situational lang lagi. Pero, what if iba yung mangyari? So, yun yung hindi nila tututuro sa atin eh. Parang, mostly, one or two dimension lang ang mga profs natin eh. Kasi hindi pa naman tayo nagpa-practice. Pero once we practice our profession, yun nga, we'll know more about our expertise. Yun nga, ang dami, sobrang lawak ng civil engineering. So you don't know what will you tackle if may nagkritong problema or ganyan. So hindi mo alam. So yun yung talagang hindi naturo sa atin ng mga prof natin na you'll experience when you go to the field.
Okay, sir, for the third part po, which is present work and achievements. So, can you please tell us more about your current work po?
Okay, so currently I'm working for the Department of Energy. I've been working there for already 3 years. I'm in charge of the retail outlets of gasoline stations and LPG establishments when it comes to standards. Yung mga if tama ba yung mga if standard ba yung mga dimensions nila for the facilities or what. So doon ako in charge. Tapos syempre, ina-inspect din namin yung mga yung quality ng mga products nila like yung fuels and yung LPGs po. Pero yun nga, generally speaking for civil engineering, yun nga, sa standards ako focused, yung sa standard ng mga facilities nila. If they comply with the Philippine national standards. Ayun.
For the next question po, tell us more about your current industry practices. Tell us more about the current industry practices that are worth mentioning po.
As I've mentioned before, yun nga, I'm in charge of the retail outlets of LPG and gasoline stations na. I inspect the facilities when it comes to the Philippine national standards, kung standard ba yung facilities nila. Kasi unfortunately kasi dito kasi sa atin usually especially in Metro Manila kasi marami kasi tayong substandard na facilities when it comes to these oil companies eh. So yun nga, syempre medyo kailangan din namin i-collect. So yun, we coordinate with other attached government agencies. So yun yung pinaka main work ko talaga sa DOE.
Okay, sir, for the third question po, what do you think is next for civil engineering field, for the civil engineering field?
Yun nga, kasi nung time ko, wala pa kasing specialization ng geotechnical engineering. So, swerte kayo kasi actually yun yung pinaka gusto ko talagang kunin na specialization, yung geotechnical engineering. So, if if may gusto sa inyo mag-geotechnical, so go for it kasi maganda talaga yung subject na yun. Tsaka okay yung mga professors na magtuturo doon. And yun talaga yung parang nilook forward ko sa civil engineering field na magkaroon ng geotechnical engineering field or specialization sa lalo na sa university natin. So yun yung nilook forward ko talaga. So swerte kayo kasi kami hindi namin na-experience.
Good evening po. What would you say is your most precious or important work that you have accomplished throughout your career?
Siguro last year yung na-accomplish ko is I was part of the committees that constructed our work instructions manual. So yun yung pinaka-biggest achievement ko sa office, sa government. Kasi parang, syempre kailangan mong magkaroon ng manual if you conduct inspections. Ito yung papakita mo sa mga tao kung mag-i-inspect kayo, anong kailangan nyong gawin. So, syempre kailangan namin ng procedure. So parang talagang inayos namin yung instruction manual namin. Tsaka, yun nga, I was happy to be part of it. Kasi yun nga, it's a big achievement for me. Na kasi ang dami ko rin natutunan kasi hindi rin kasi masyadong um, medyo hindi ko kasi masyadong field tong oil industry, so medyo bago-bago ako, pero at least yun nga naging part ako noon kaya medyo marami na rin akong alam, so aside from being a civil engineer. So yun.
In your career as a civil engineer, what were the challenges that you have encountered along the way?
Siguro may mga terms pa din ako syempre hindi maintindihan, or yun nga siguro yung mga basic terms ng lalo na sa mga construction workers ganyan, syempre may mga terms sila na hindi ko pa rin maintindihan kasi right now aside from being at the Department of Energy, I also practice sideline so may sideline din ako, so parang I sign plans for my friends or other coworkers when it comes to building classrooms. So yun, medyo may idea ako. Pero yun nga, may mga terms pa din ako na hindi ko maintindihan. Tapos yun nga, syempre, as we go along, we're still learning pa din naman. So yun nga. Yun yung mga challenges. Syempre, kahit sabi mong may alam ka na, mas marami pa rin may alam sa'yo. So yun yung medyo challenging para sa akin.
Do you have any dream projects that you want to do in the future?
Siguro hopefully makapag kontrata ako, siguro makapag maging contractor ako hopefully. Or kasi right now kasi meron akong hinahandle na project pero it's for my cousin. So hindi ko for now, yun muna yung nilook forward ko kasi yun nga, small project lang siya, pero hopefully in the future if sana magka-pera or something, mag-contractor ako kung sakali. Yun yung pinaka-dream ko. Have my own firm.
Okay. Thank you po for that. Yun po yung mga education life, training, skills acquisition, and present work with achievements. To close this po, we just like to ask po, since student nga po kayo dati ni si Jonel, meron po ba kayong message for him po?
Actually, hindi ako student ni Sir Jonel Actually, parang nakilala ko lang si Sir Jonel dahil sa isa kong prof, si Sir Jen. Ayun. So, Sir Jonel, if you're watching, thank you nga pala sa recommendation letter ko sa masters ko. Kasi siya yung nag-recommend sa akin for my master's degree sa Lasal. So yun, if you're watching this. Now, sir, pasama to lahat ha.
Okay, sige. To that po, we'd like to thank you on behalf of my group po. Thank you po si Engineer for all of this. Okay, have a blessed night.
Okay.
Bye guys.
Bye-bye. Thank you.